JJ.A.C Tech Channel. Comfast CF-E130N, 300 Mbps outdoor wireless CPE, unboxing and installation. Up to 1 km of stable transmission. 300 Mbps Wi-Fi at the 2 GHz band. Adopt the Qualcomm QCA9531 650 MHz high-frequency chipset, which improves CPU performance and reduces power consumption. 2.3 to 2.7 GHz band, supports more channels, significantly reduced co-channel signal interference. Data transfer is smooth and will not be lost. Stands up to severe outdoor environments. The outdoor IP66 rating provides the ability to handle different kinds of rugged surroundings. 9 to 24 volt power over Ethernet support and a simple mounting design allow for flexible deployment and convenient installation. Package contents: installation guide, pole mounting kit, 15 volt PoE adapter, CF-E130N unit. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.